Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Quickbooks with Wave. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what I actually recommend for you to use and when. Then I'm going to compare pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you the features, like in what way one is better comparing to the other. So let's start. Now, Wave is really good for people who are starting out. If you have a small business, if you don't have employees, if you're just like testing the waters, or even if you're gonna have like not a lot of clients from the beginning, go with the Wave. And the main reason that it's completely for free. How is that? Only because Wave is Wave as a company is earning money from payment processing when someone is going to pay for your invoice. And then they are making money out of payroll services. So they offer the services in the US and Canada for payroll, and they make money that way. On the other hand, QuickBooks, when you would come here on pricing, you can get 3 months, 50% off, or free trial. Simple start, $12.50, or you go $25, $70, or $150. And as you can see, Wave pricing, accounting 0, invoicing received 0, no setup fees, no hidden charges, no monthly fees. So you see it by yourself. But there are some advantages to QuickBooks comparing to Wave. Wave is simple. Yes, you have for accounting reconciliation that you can do. You can have charge of accounts. You can even hire a bookkeeper. But mileage, only QuickBooks has it. 109 contractor, QuickBooks. When we talk about sales tax, again, QuickBooks. Advanced reporting, again, QuickBooks. Wave doesn't have it. So there are something that's lacking. And let me just show you everything. Also, another thing that Wave doesn't have is our projects. Projects are accessible only in QuickBooks. So if you need projects, you need to go with the QuickBooks, right? So let's go to the how it actually feels to use and what you can find. When you come here to Wave, you can click on Dashboard, and then Dashboard here in QuickBooks, and you can see it right here. In Wave, it's clear, right? You got cash flow, you got profit and loss, payable and owing, net income, and expense breakdown. In QuickBooks, you see it's clear. It's like, whoosh, you know, that you don't have to scroll anywhere and you see everything. But okay, Wave is all right. QuickBooks dashboard is too, like, it's advanced in my opinion because it's more prettier. The design looks like cool, you know, and you see everything at one place. You don't have to scroll anywhere. Now to go further on Wave, then you're gonna see sales here. Then you can have estimates, invoice, recurring invoice. That's good. And then you can add customers and products and services. In QuickBooks, when I would go to sales, again, I can click here on invoices. They got also customers and products and services. I'm going to click here, create invoice, or to the arrow. Let's click X here. On the arrow, you can import invoices or create invoice. And voila, you add here invoice in Wave. Again, same thing. I click invoice. And let's just wait until it's going to load. Create invoice. And now it's really similar. You just add a customer here, or you can select a customer right here. And you got it, right? Really simple, really easy. And then you can simply add an item. And you can preview the invoice, and you got it. And you can also add recurring invoice. Same with here in QuickBooks, create a recurring invoice. So this is how we can actually do it. Then you get payroll here and also expenses. Same with Wave. You come here and you see purchases, bills, receipts, vendors. When I'm on expenses, I can click new transaction, and you can see it here. I can add a bill, I can add expense, I can add a check, I can even add a purchase order, vendor credit, or I can pay down credit card. So you have multiple options right here comparing to Xero. I mean comparing to Wave, not Xero. Why I always mention Xero, I don't know. Now, you have receipts, I can simply click create a bill. Same right here, new transaction, bill. And you just choose a vendor. And you just add your mail address. And then just scroll down below and you see here, right bottom, save and schedule payment. When you got it on both of these softwares. Again, you can add vendors. Here you can also add vendors. and you see everything. Then on accounting, you see transaction reconciliation, chart of accounts. Here, chart of accounts, reconcile. And you can simply add new account type. So there are multiple things that you can do. And then banking, you can see connected accounts that you have. Same here, banking, checking accounts, and everything. And then you can also have rules and receipts and tax. And then the reporting here, let me show you. When we're going to compare that, you can see clearly that QuickBooks got much more reports comparing to Wave. So the Wave is like the basic. And this is pretty much it. Then you got like payroll here. But I would just, if you want to go run with the payroll, I would definitely choose QuickBooks for it. And also another thing is that if you would like to have an accountant, many people know how to work with QuickBooks in the US and they prefer it more than Wave. But again, if you're starting out and you don't want to spend money for like expensive QuickBooks, go with the Wave. If you're gonna have a medium-sized business, if you're gonna have a lot of clients and it's going to get overwhelming, go with the QuickBooks. Then also, like, it's completely for free to have a Wave, so it's a no-brainer to choose QuickBooks, yeah, I think, in the beginning of the stage. But again, if you're gonna have employees, if you want to do the mileage, if you want to do, I don't know, 109 contractors, go with the QuickBooks. But also, like, if you would go to QuickBooks pricing, you can also with self-employed for $15 a month. And that's pretty good, I think. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I hope this video at least helped you kind of what should you choose and which one you should go with. And definitely just my advice, if you have a business, focus on system and processes. I see many times the starting entrepreneurs or someone who got business, they try to do everything. They try to be anywhere, but focus on what makes you money. Which is my biggest recommendation. If you focus like 80% of your day, the things that makes you money actually, not creating Facebook posts or Instagram story, but actually calling and getting the new business done, right then, right there, you're gonna completely dominate the market. And I mean it. You're going to be unstoppable. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can also support and subscribe. I really enjoy making this type of tutorials and videos. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.